Hello everyone, this is Ahmad Makhlouf. Let's continue talking about this Microsoft Excel series. Are you ready? Let's get started. Welcome to the second lesson in this series. Today we will talk about advanced filling in Excel. Microsoft Excel is a smart program that can save your time doing routine expected tasks. An important example to know is the advanced filling options in Excel. What is advanced filling options? This fill drag method is used to save your time filling cells that have expected repetitive or sequential values. So this can be used for numbers, for month, for days of the week, or even for custom list of your own definition. You have this little square symbol at the right bottom corner of the selected cell. Let's hover the mouse over this symbol. The mouse changes to a black plus sign. Let's drag this sign down and see what happens. Excel will repeat the selected values for you in the new cells. Okay, what about if you want another type of filling? You wanted sequential filling. So in this case you wanted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which we need and use a lot in Excel sheets. So at least you have to type two cells, 1 and 2, and then you will select the two cells together. Drag them down and Excel will figure out the pattern. Is it sequential pattern? Yes. Is it incremental? Yes. How much is the increment? It's by 1. So Excel will figure all these things out and try to auto-complete your list. When it comes to month of the year, so only one cell is enough to drag down and Excel will figure it out. For the days of the week, only one cell is enough. And this is how you know you complete the cells using the advanced filling functions. It's very important to know. You will use it a lot in your Excel sheets. One last thing I'd like to share with you, that the same logic applies whenever you try the fill drag in any direction. It does not have to be down direction. So if you go to the right or you go to the left or you go upwards, it will work again. If you want it sequential, so you have to type two values. So you will select the two of them and you go right, it will work as well. Well, this concludes this lesson. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and click the notification bell to be notified every time I post a new video. Bye for now.